Welcome back everybody. This week's video we're going to be taking a piece of walnut countertop and turn it into a octagonal bowl. So we're just marking out for the mortise here. And now for the foot. Okay, so now we've got the camera view changed, we've got the lathe running, and we're just going to start turning it down to shape. We're starting with the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. So this was a square piece of wood that was gifted to me from Huey Lionheart, and when I took it over to the bandsaw to cut the corners off, it was originally going to be a round bowl. A little bit of a brainwave came over me, and I was like, it's got 8 sides, it's an octagon, and I decided to run with it. So that's why we're doing an octagon bowl. So yeah, there you go, a little bit of a story behind this bowl.
On the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright.
Go. Last few passes with the mid-size finisher.
Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city.
There you go.
Drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so
Okay, so we've moved round to the bottom of the bowl now, and now we're going to work on the mortise. So we'll start with the mid-size detailer, just to find where the mortise is going to go. Clean it out with the number 1 hollower. Flatten everything out with the mid-size rougher. And back to the detailer so we can match the angles of the jaws of the chuck being the Easy Wood chuck.
With the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and
okay, I've already done most of the sanding now, so now we're sanding with 400 grit from Clinkspore Abrasives.
come on now and take my hand. Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo.
Clean off the grain with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol.
Yeah, I'd give it all.
Also get a bit of a preview as to what it's going to finish off as.
Unexpected love was found.
Very, very nice.
You're the rose in a garden.
Considering it is probably going to be destined to be thrown away, it's a very nice bit. Okay, now we're going to get to doing a bit of hollowing now. So we're going to start with the number 1 hollower, and we're going to flatten the top off first of all.
So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by.
Now we're going to start going in.
As we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh.
Yeah, just keep on going, making sure that you don't go through the bottom of it. It can happen. I've known people to do it. There you go, taking a few final clean-up passes with the mid-side finisher. And that's it all hollowed, with no funnels at the bottom. I'd say that's a result. Checking the wall fitness with the finger calipers. Okay, back to doing a bit of sanding now, and back to the 400 grip with Explorer abrasives. Once again, a quick wipe over with methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to clean off the grain. Some Danish oil from Hampshire Sheen. I'd like to thank Huey for not only the wood but the awesome slow-mo voiceover there. There will be some pictures at the end. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this week's video. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, share it your friends, share it your family, share it your enemies if you like. And until next week's video, I shall see you then. Bye bye for now.